everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now we will start with our math lesson and we're gonna start talking about describing by attributes. Describing by attributes when I describe an object with its color, its length, its weight, so we can give more than one description for each subject. So now I want you all to come with me to watch this interesting video. It will make your understanding easier. So let's go.
Hi there. If I asked you to describe these blocks, what would you say? I'm guessing you'd probably describe their color and shape like the red circle or the blue rectangle. But color and shape are only two attributes that can be used to describe objects. Take this book for instance. We can use cube trains to describe its size. The book is 7 cubes wide and 8 cubes tall. Size is an attribute that can be measured and used to describe an object. Weight is another attribute that we can use to describe objects. We use a scale to measure weight. Watch as we put an apple on one side of the scale and a watermelon on the other. I could say the apple is lighter than the watermelon, or I could say that the watermelon is heavier than the apple. Now, look at this bottle of juice. We can describe its colors and its shape. We can use cube trains to describe its size, and we can weigh it on a scale. Color, shape, size, and weight are all attributes that we can use to describe this bottle of juice. But there's one more measurable attribute we can use. Do you know what it is? We can describe how much juice the bottle holds. A tool such as a measuring cup helps us tell how much something holds. See the smaller juice bottle? We could say that it holds less juice than the larger bottle. We could also say that the larger bottle holds more juice than the smaller bottle. Now it's your turn. Find an object in the room and see how many attributes you can use to describe it.
There are many ways to describe the same object. You can describe objects using different attributes. Attributes are things like shape and color. What words can you use to describe this water bottle? Some words to describe this water bottle are tall, long, full, heavy, clear, and round. Which attributes do these words describe? Long describes length, and heavy describes weight. Clear describes color, and round describes shape. What tools do you see here? You see a cube train, a balance scale, and a measuring cup. What can these tools help you find out? The tools can help you find out how long, how tall, or how heavy something is. Tools can also tell you how much an object holds. Which tool would be best for finding out the height of the water bottle? The cube train would be best for finding out the height of the water bottle. Which tool should you use to find out how heavy the water bottle is? You should use the balance scale to find out how heavy the water bottle is. Which weighs more, the water bottle or the apple? How do you know? The water bottle weighs more. The side with the water bottle is lower. Which looks like it can hold more, the water bottle or the measuring cup? The water bottle looks like it can hold more. The measuring cup is a tool you can use to find out how much the water bottle can hold.
Now you know how to describe an object by its attributes.
So Now we're gonna start working again on the page of today. As we said, once you see any object, you can give it more than one description, and you can, for example, describe it by the shape, by the color, by many attributes. So let's start with our page for today. We're gonna start with page 824. What will we do is that we will look at the object on the left and identify the attributes that can be measured, and then we will draw a circle around the tools that could be used to tell about the attributes. So let's start with the first one. Now here we have a pencil. This pencil, how can I describe it? I can use the cubes to measure the length, and I can use the scale to measure the weight of the pencil. Can I use the cup? No, because it's not liquid. Okay, let's come to the next page. Page 825. Here we have a pail. What can I use to measure or to describe the pail? Of course, I can use the cup to measure how much it can hold, right? And also I can use the cubes to measure the height of the pail. And also I can use the scale to see the weight of it. Okay, great job everyone. Let's come to number 3. I have this chalkboard. So in this chalkboard, I can use the cubes and the scale. Can I use the cup? No, because it's not being measured with a cup. It's not liquid. Okay, let's see this jar in number 4. I can take the weight of, the length of the jar by the cubes. And also I can use the scale to measure the weight, but I can't use the cup. What about the ruler? Yes, the ruler will be measured by the cubes. Also, I can take the weight of it, but I can't use the cup. Great job, everyone. So the homework of today will be that you will send me a video while you are describing attributes of many objects, and don't forget to do your homework that we did. And at the end, I want to tell you that I love you all. Goodbye.